Some men effortlessly occupy a woman's thoughts, while others fade away. It's not a question of looks or money. The real secret lies in what you say, but not just any words. Specific phrases trigger powerful emotions and leave a lasting impression. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal 3 phrases that will have her thinking of you nonstop. These aren't your typical pickup lines or cheesy compliments, but psychologically powerful statements that create a deep, almost irresistible connection. Whether you're looking to captivate that special someone or rekindle the spark in your relationship, these phrases are your secret weapon. If you are ready to become unforgettable, let's dive in. 1. I love the way your mind works. This sentence is pure gold. Why? Because it goes beyond physical compliments and acknowledges your intelligence. In a world where women are often praised solely for their looks, acknowledging your thoughts instantly sets you apart. It's not just flattery, it's respect. By saying this, you're telling her that you appreciate her ideas, her point of view, her very essence. It's like a mental caress that lingers long after the conversation has ended. But here's the thing, you can't just throw this phrase out at the drop of a hat, it needs context. Wait for a moment when she's expressing a unique point of view or creatively solving a problem, then throw that phrase out with genuine admiration. Watch her eyes light up, feel the energy shift. You've just created a moment she'll be replaying in her head for hours, even days. 2. You're capable of doing it. I believe in you. Self-confidence is seductive, but do you know what's even more magnetic? Being a confidence booster. This phrase is like an emotional rocket. When you tell a woman you believe in her, you're not just supporting her, you're empowering her. You become her personal cheerleader, her rock. The underlying psychology is fascinating. When you express your faith in someone, you trigger a phenomenon known as the Pygmalion effect, a self-fulfilling prophecy where your expectations influence her performance. By expressing your confidence in her abilities, you reinforce them. She will carry your words with her, drawing strength from them when faced with challenges, and guess who she will think of every time she overcomes an obstacle? Of you. It's an effective way of integrating you into her daily thoughts and successes. 3. I was thinking about that time when we. Nostalgia is a powerful emotion, and this phrase exploits it to the full. By evoking a shared memory, you're not just reminiscing, you're strengthening your bond. You're saying, we have history. We have moments that matter. It's like planting a seed in his mind that will grow into hours of happy memories. The key is specificity. Don't just vaguely evoke the past, pick a particular moment, the funnier or more meaningful the better. It could be the time you were caught in the rain and ended up laughing out loud, or the time you stayed up all night talking about your dreams. By evoking these moments, you're not just triggering memories, you're rekindling emotions. You remind her of the unique bond you share, and make her want to relive such moments with you. 4. I appreciate how you always see the best in people. This phrase is impactful because it highlights a positive and admirable trait, her ability to recognize and bring out the best in others. Why is this phrase effective? It's not just about flattery, it's a genuine acknowledgement of her compassionate nature and positive outlook. By appreciating this quality, you show that you value not only her personality but also the way she interacts with the world. To make this phrase resonate, be specific about a time when she demonstrated this trait. Perhaps she supported a friend through a tough time or helped someone see their own potential. Your recognition of this quality not only enhances her self-worth but also deepens your connection by showing that you notice and value her unique approach to relationships and interactions. By sincerely acknowledging this aspect of her character, you create a lasting impression and become someone she will remember with admiration and warmth. 5. There's something about the way you look at me that I can't get out of my head. This phrase is potent because it's intimate and suggests a deep, almost magnetic connection between you two. Why is this phrase effective? It's subtly suggestive without being overt, creating a sense of mystery and allure. By focusing on her gaze, you're highlighting a personal, almost unspoken bond, making the moment feel charged with emotion and desire. Use this phrase in a moment when the atmosphere is already a bit charged, like during a quiet conversation or after a lingering look. It taps into the chemistry between you, making her feel both seen and desired in a way that's hard to forget. This phrase will likely linger in her thoughts, as it hints at the depth of your attraction while leaving just enough to the imagination, ensuring she'll be thinking about you long after the moment has passed. 6. I admire how you stay true to yourself. This phrase is powerful because it recognizes her authenticity and courage in being herself, which are qualities that are often underappreciated. Why does this phrase work? In a world where people often feel pressure to conform, acknowledging her ability to stay true to her values and personality makes you stand out. It shows that you see and respect her for who she really is, beyond any surface-level traits. To use this phrase effectively, point to a specific moment where she stood up for her beliefs, made a tough decision, or simply acted in a way that was genuine to her character. Your recognition of her authenticity will make her feel understood and appreciated, deepening your connection. By acknowledging this core aspect of her identity, you not only make her feel valued but also create a lasting impression that makes you someone she thinks of with genuine warmth and respect.